Hello guys, so let's make this barrel with speed flow. As you can see, this is pretty simple. All of this is just up that. So you can edit absolutely everything. This is interesting. I will edit. I will make it as simple as possible. So let's start by creating some vertices. Press E, Control, E, Control, E, and Control, and same like that. I will add a screw, I will change the steps to 48, and if I check the wire, I have this. On this part, I will just move this here, I will add a bevel, I will press Shift W to add a new bevel, and that's it. I will create a mirror in Z, and that's it. So, I need to move all of this because it's too big, and I will keep that. So, let's continue. On this one, I will create a new bevel, a vertex, up, make something like that, press E and snap to the grid, or I can align directly like that. I can place the origin on this one here if I want, or I can place this here. So like that I can add a mirror in Z if I want to add the same at the top. I will add a screw, 48, like that. I want to add a big bevel here, so I will select this one, this one, this one, and I will subdivide and deselect the inside part. Because I'm using bevel only group, I need to add some subdivisions. So I will now call the bevel, up, press Q to see the bevel, like that. And on this one I want a little one, so Shift W to add a little like that. If I add a subsurf, and that's it. So, now I have something correct. This is nice. So the interesting part is that I want a hole on this one. So what I will do is to apply the mirror with Shift and click. Oh, it's not working on this one, my bad. Up, up, that should work. And I will separate, and now I have this result. So I will just move it. I need to fix, I'm on a special version, so it's work in progress. I will make this. On this one, I will add a displace, like that. And as you can see, that will give me this result, but I need to move the displace after the screw, to be able to do this. Okay? So pretty nice. And it's okay. On this one I have a little bevel, maybe I need to add a big bevel here. Up, bevel. So first I need to move the bevel, yes, that should work normally here, maybe here, and press S, like that. Yes, it's working. So maybe remove this subsurf just to show you the result. So obviously this wire is not what you want, but you will be able to fix it after. And I just move it like that to be able to edit it as I want, like that. So what I will do is to come in top view, in front view, wire, add an object here. Press E, like that, make something like that, and I will snap in Vmod. So I need to find the center of this here, like that, and I will add the origin on this one, up, add a screw, and that's it. So I will just zoom on it, move this here, move this here, hopla, like that, and I will add a bevel here, but I need to subdivide like previously, and that will give me this result, like that, and add a big one here, up, like that. So if you want, yes, in fact I need to edit the bevel on this last one, so vgroup 001, up, and play with it a little. I think I'm too small in my scene. Okay, so on this one I can just move this part and move all of this. I could use some booleans if I wanted. I can just do this, do this, and add a bevel here, but I can call the bevel and press Shift W to add the last one. As you can see, this is really, I'm too small in my scene. Let's try to 0.01, too big, 0.001, like that. Okay, so this is working. I have this, this one is okay, this one is okay, and that's it. We created whole barrel, and this is just that. And we could add some hook to move it directly, or some displays to move everything here, some drivers to edit everything, etc. There is a lot of possibilities. But right now, this is nice. Maybe this is too big. Just move it like that, and play with the bevel, like that. Pretty simple. You can edit all the bevels, you can edit the number of steps of the screw if you want. Like that, on this one or on all the different objects at the same time. Like that, as you can see. Pretty simple and pretty nice. Pretty easy, in fact.